You ready?
Ready.
I just want a small taste of the lifestyle I want to lead. Something nomadic, to be a drifter. I want to wake up in the Avenue of the Giants, and bathe in the ocean, cook my food on the side of the road, and do shrooms where the sequoias meet salt water. Sounds like a fucking dream. I want to be able to prove to people that with $37, some trail mix, whatever I can scrape together for gas, a few cans of tuna, if you got the spare time, you can make an experience that others would only dream of for the rest of their lives. People are so blinded by the idea of needing stability to be venturous. The thing is, when I'm out here, I feel stable. I feel just fine. Needing a 4x4 to see mountainscapes, or a plane just to get to the other side. Money only allows for travel with ease, comfort. I don't believe the world is meant to be seen that way. The truth is, paradise is really only down the road. It's just a matter of deciding how capable you are to find it, even without realizing you always will be. reassurance of scenery, a guaranteed vista, or a step-by-step travel guide. I just need someone who's down, someone to find these things with. And even when we don't, good company at best.